Welcome to Study Loop.
To predict the difference in the number of crashes for a new site, we can use the given data to calculate the mean and standard deviation of the differences in crashes before and after the addition of distance information on service signs. So the differences would be 15 minus 16 would do the before minus the after, so it's a difference of -1. And then for site 2, it's a difference of 2, 24 for site 3, 35 for 4, -16 for 5, and -9 for the 6th. And the mean comes out to 5.83, adding up to 6 dividing by 6. The standard deviation, I just used a calculator and got 19.69. And to predict the difference in the number of crashes for a new site, we can use a prediction interval. Assuming the differences follow a normal distribution, we can calculate a 95% prediction interval, and the formula for that would be the mean of the differences plus or minus the critical t, which is going to have 5 degrees of freedom. We'll look that up in a moment, times the standard deviation of the differences times the square root of 1 plus 1 over n. So with 5 degrees of freedom and a 95% confidence level on the critical t for two tails would be 2.571. And so we've got 5.83 plus and minus 2.571 times the standard deviation times the square root of 1 plus 1 over 6. So 5.83 minus 2.571 times 19.69 times the square root of 1 plus 1/6 is negative 48.85, and the upper boundary 60.51. So if a 7th site were to be randomly selected among locations bearing service signs, we would predict the difference in the number of crashes to lie between these two values.